06 Hotel out of 15,600. Via the Ironman 2 with Mike.
November 8, 06 Papa Hotel SoCal, expect vector visit approach runway 248.
Expect vector visit 24 right.
Turn right heading 160.
Right turn 160, South
3126, advise airport in sight when you're able.
Southwest 3126.
Set unrestricted. Maintain 5,000 and speed 210. It'll be about a 10-mile final for you.
Unrestricted down to 5,000, see then speed, thanks, 80 Hotel.
Papa Hotel 3,000. Number 379 Tango Alpha SoCal. Papa Hotel flighting 0990.
0990, Hotel. Anything else? SoCal, wingspan 2, can you confirm heading?
Wingspan 2, 110.
110, wingspan 2.
Wingspan 2, continue descend, descend and maintain 2,600. Wingspan 2, descend and maintain 2,600.
2,600, wingspan 2.
Skyway 4633, 17,570, the Ironman with Mike. 4630, maintain 3,000, it'll be about a 10-mile final.
Down to 3,000, speed our discretion, skies 5328.
Number 9 Tango Alpha, what are your intentions after circling around downtown?
Yeah, we'd like to...
On final for LA, descending out of 5,400 is the United Boeing 737.
We're looking wingspan 2.
Off a traffic alert. It's probably the same helicopter, but half a mile southeast of you, maneuvering, indicating 1,200 type unknown. I'm sorry, 1,700.
Traffic 7,500. Thank you. Captain Sector, wingspan 2.
Wingspan 2, maintain visual separation from that traffic. Caution wake turbulence as you pass behind him. Fly heading 160.
Maintain visual and heading 160, wingspan 2.
United 2153, get out to the Ironman 2 with that.
Wingspan 2, fly heading 180, descend and maintain 2,000.
Heading 180 down to 2,000, wingspan 2.
United 2153, SoCal approach, expect visual approach runway 248.
At 2152, we'll expect visual to 248.
Wingspan 2, there's another target a mile south of you, northwestbound, indicating 1,300 type unknown.
We're looking wingspan 2.
Wingspan 2, advise whenever you get the Hawthorne Airport in sight, 2 o'clock and 10 miles. Fly heading 200.
Heading 200, we've got the airport in sight, wingspan 2.
Wingspan 2, cleared visual approach runway 25.
Clear visual 25.
Vectoring 160.
Wingspan 2, contact Hawthorne Tower 121.1. Good day.
Hawthorne Tower, see you, wingspan 2.
Dallas 5328, your number 1 for your runway. There's traffic on final for the South Complex. Advise airport in sight.
Texas
5328, clear visual approach runway 24 right.
Clear visual 24 right. That's 5328.
2914, turning 225 to join final for runway 24 right.
Right, 225 to join.
There's 4633, turning 225 to join final for runway 24 Delta 2119, you're following an Embraer on an 8-mile final, speed 210 or greater, and the airport's 12 o'clock, 20 miles.
Alright, 210 or better, and just come the airport, Delta 2119.
119, thanks, clear visual approach runway 24 right.
Clear visual 24 right, looking for that traffic, Delta 2119.
2119, don't worry about looking for them, just want to let you know who you're following.
Oh, sounds good.
There's 4633, contact Los Angeles Tower now, 133.9, good day.
43.9, good day, that's 4633.
And it's 2153, 170 or less.
At 2153, small and 170 or less.
Back to the ILS 324 right approach.
Looks like the ILS people right now.
join final approach 24, right? Vector 164, turn right at 225, intercept the rate 24, right, final approach course.
224, right, downward switch.
Southeast, Nordic distance descent of 3,000 on for 136.
American 164, 4 miles from Kobe, maintain 2,400 till established, cleared RNAV Yankee, runway 24, right approach.
2,400, 6,000 through the RNAV.
American 164, contact Los Angeles Tower now, 133.9, good day.
33.9, American 164, have a great day.
On the pond 126 heavy, turn right at 225, intercept runway 24 right, localizer. South 1861, SoCal approach, cleared ILS 324 right approach, speed 250 or greater.
50 greater, sir.
Upon 126 heavy, 4 miles from Kobe, maintain 2,400 until established, cleared ILS 324 right approach.
Maintain 2,400 until established, cleared for ILS runway 24 right approach on 136 heavy.
On upon 126 heavy, contact Los Angeles Tower now, 133.9, good day.
Hello, Delta 2766, information Mike, coming via the Iron.
So 2766, SoCal approach, good afternoon, like visual approach, runway. So 2319, there's traffic on final for South Complex, have your following 3-mile final, caution wake turbulent. Turn right heading 160 and advise airport in sight.
Heading 160, you're at the airport and the South Complex, traffic in sight, Delta 2319.